Okay, so this is the Wadeston Island project. This was a project done by Western Milk, Department of Conservation and Conservation volunteers. And the idea was to enhance the habitat for adult whitebait here at Wadeston Island, or Wadeston Island. And of course it's got a track all the way through. And if you want to bring the young fellas down with the rod, grab yourself a license, because there's a couple of places along here that are just ideal for flicking the minnow out. What a day! Look at that. Now this is the Ritz Hotel in Hokitika. Bookings can be made online, although it appears to be temporarily closed. They do say in their advertising that it's quite good. You can fish for whitebait off the deck. Someone called Peter Campion, I think, is the current manager. He's always cruising around. Pretty hard to keep on the job. We've put a lot of time and effort into trying to wash him away, but it's just not happening. Hey Pete, I reckon you'll be watching this. So we're on the top side of the Hokitika Bridge, just having a wander along, having a look at the river, because come September we'll be whitebaiting again. And then of course another of the riverside hotels. Now, yes, that's quite good. All built on skids. Must be expecting something. I believe that this is the Fahey Hotel. Central heating, good accommodation inside, and you can actually fish for whitebait from the front of it. I don't know how many. There'd have to be thousands of birds there, not hundreds. Must be a bit of tuck around somewhere. So there's been a few erosion problems here, and it would be nice to see some rock donated to allow it to be steadied. Difficulty seems to be that you need a resource consent to put the rock in, and then someone's got to write a cheque out, and never the most favourable thing. Well, there we go folks, Wadeston Island Conservation Whitebait Habitat Project. A great whitebaiting area, and if you want a safe place to bring the kids down to fish for a trout, grab a licence, come and have a go. Catch you later.